Erizoba nubwo CDF General Muhoozi Kainerugaba yaikakishayi kya kororo kubana harambura ebyo kwerinda okubyemerire aha kishayi eki aw'emikoro y'okurahiriza mukuru w'ihanga erakorerwe. Ogu yabanza no kureba obukodyo obwo abasirikare barayoreke aha kiro kya mukuru w'ihanga yaba narahira. Aha Rwakabiri obwo abasirikare batari bamwe na bamwe barayetabemu. Abayongera no kwereka ihanga okuryemerire omu byokwerinda eby'omu mwanya barikwejunisa enyonyi endwani ezabaasa okutamburira omu mwanya kandi bayoreka na zimwe aha mbundu n'emotoka endwani. Olyo omuduumizi w'ihe rya Uganda General Kainerugaba yashaba byokwerinda boona okugira emicwe ah'izooba eri mukuru w'ihanga arabe narahira.
Your timing precise and your spirit unwavering. Let's not have cases of people beginning to collapse. That is like I saw in Kabale for Tarehe Sita. One or two were not strong enough. Let's not have that on Tuesday. Through discipline, teamwork, and attention to detail. The people who will witness the ceremony must see a force that is confident, organized, and proud to serve its nation. Remember that you are the ambassadors of patriotism and national unity.
CDF Muhoozi yayongera yasiima boona abeetabire omu ntebeekanisa egi.
Your conduct on the parade square will inspire confidence in our security institutions and honor the sacrifices of those who came before us. Remain focused, support one another, and maintain the highest standards until the final salute is rendered on Tuesday after the parade. Inauguration Parade be remembered for its excellence, dignity, and professionalism. I have full confidence in your ability to deliver a ceremony worthy of our great armed forces and our great country, Uganda.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga narahizibwa Rwakabiri olw'esaabiiti erikwija 2012 by'okwezi oku. Amakuru aga gashakwa Jime Muhumuza.